look at that. Are you going to sing a song?
Sing a song.
All right, let's sing eyes and ears and mouth and...
No.
Okay, ABCs.
No.
Okay, you have your own song. What is it? Dun dun dun. La 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 la. 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 La la la. Now you're a beehive keeper, right? You went from a butterfly to a beehive keeper. There goes the beehive keeper. What else can we think of doing with this tutu? What else can we think of doing with this tutu? Oh, you prefer it as a tutu? You can do it.
No.
No? Don't, why not?
Because you were lying.
Because you decided not to? That's why?
Why?
All right. I understand, my love.
Where my water?
That's right.
Where my it?
Oh, that's a spoon? You're going to use it as a spoon?
Alright.
That's a big spoon. Can you imagine all the cereal you can pick up with that large spoon, my love?
Carrot.
And a carrot. What's up, Doc? Hey, what's up, Doc? Hey, what's up, Doc? Hey, what's up, Doc?
Mommy.
Hey, what's up, Doc? Hey, what's up, Doc?
Okay.